Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can translate videos to any language on CapCut Mobile. So if you want to translate your videos into any language using CapCut, whether you are creating a content for a global audience or just need subtitles in another language, this tutorial will show you how you can translate videos in CapCut step by step. So first, you can just open the CapCut application. And you can just tap on new project and select the videos that you want to translate. Okay, so this is the video that I want to translate. That's why you can just tap on add to import the video into the timeline. And now you can just generate the auto captions. You can just tap on captions in here and select the original audio from the video. Spoken language in here is English, and here you can also go with others if you want to, and there will be this advanced options. Now, as you guys can see, this one translated language. So if you want to translate caption to another language, you can just tap on this one and choose the language that you want to translate to. Let's say I want to translate it into Dutch, Netherlands. You can just click on the language and tap on generate, and CapCut will automatically translate your captions. You can just wait until the caption is done. Okay, so as you guys can see, at the top is the original or the English one, and at the bottom is the one in the translated language, which is Dutch. You can now also customize your translated subtitles. For example, I'm going to make the translated smaller. You can click on the one of the subtitle and go to style. Here I'm going to just go change the font. Let's say into this one, and here I'm going to change the size and also lower the spacing just like this, and make sure that it applies to all of the auto captions. Click on the check icon, and that's it. Now once you're satisfied, you can just tap on export at the top, and you can just save it to your device or share it directly to TikTok, YouTube, or Instagram. So if you want to translate the voice too, you can use CapCut's text-to-speech feature and select a voiceover in another language. And that's very much all. I hope you find this tutorial will be helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.